So this little begonia is one called Tiger Paws. It is a rhizomatous begonia. You can see the rhizome stem here growing quite nicely. So here we've got the rhizome. It is growing up and out of the pot, but then kind of gives this nice kind of cascading feel to the whole plant effectively. These make really good kind of hanging specimens where you can allow it to be up, but that the plants will essentially cascade over the edges of the pot and provide that interest of foliage with these nice kind of dark purpley splotches mixed with the green, as well as then being able to see the underside where you then get more red undertones into the leaf as well. This will produce little white flowers in the next few weeks, but those again are fairly short-lived. You really want to grow this for the overall effect of the foliage, as well as these dainty hanging stems and fantastically variegated leaves.